Anyways, welcome to another video, guys, and yeah, I'm going to be doing some 1v1s, and say hello to this guy that asked for a 1v1. Say hi. Do it now. I'm going to be using Zawardo for this round, and yeah. Let's go, bro. You gonna count us off? One, two, three. Yeah, this guy's really good. Fucking, I tried to fight him earlier in a public server, got my ass kicked. Stay away. Stay away. No. Oh shit. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Whoa, whoa. Ah! Get my ass handed to me, bro. Damn. Yeah, see that. Damn. I wonder if you break somebody's guard with that. Damn. Alright, so I paused because there was yeah, long story short, I got my ass kicked. Okay, so long story short, I'm switching stands. We're gonna do a round of 2 more. Yeah. Oh, hey, it's gonna switch too. Alright. Basically, this guy said basically we could do more videos if I wanted. So, yep. This could be fun. Got my ass handed. Yeah, boy.